Attention young leaders, are you ready to make a difference in your community? Well, we have an incredible opportunity just for you. Welcome to the Youth Empowerment Summit, or Yes Camp, a transformative 3-day event designed to empower the next generation of leaders in the greater Houston area. Join us at the picturesque YMCA Camp Cullen in Trinity, Texas. This serene setting is perfect for a weekend of growth and connection. At Yes Camp, we focus on 3 core pillars. First, community building and inspiring change. At Yes Camp, you will form strong, lasting connections with fellow young leaders from the greater Houston area. Together, you guys will act as catalysts for positive change in your respective communities. Next, leadership development. You'll gain essential skills like critical thinking, public speaking, and effective leadership through interactive workshops and inspiring talks. Lastly, wellness empowerment. Embrace the GRACE model to create a positive foundation for all of your actions and develop deeper self-awareness by identifying your personal strengths and weaknesses. If you are an aspiring young leader who is over 18 years old, this is your chance to gain invaluable skills, make a real difference, and to be part of an empowering community. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. And together, let us empower our future. Join us at Yes Camp, where your commitment today shapes our community tomorrow.